Many of us, walking is something we take for granted.
For one Fort Wayne woman, every step is a reminder of how quickly life can change. 21 Alive reporter Lyric Powell has the story.
Kimberly Shanky's life changed in an instant after she suffered a stroke at the airport on the way to her vacation. More than a year later, she's reclaiming her independence. For Kimberly Shanky, walking around her home like this wasn't possible just a few months ago.
I was checking in to get my boarding pass and everything, and that's when I noticed the signs of the stroke.
Kimberly's family vacation ended before it began in March of 2025. The day went from dreams of being on the beach to emergency surgery. At just 46, decades younger than the average stroke age, Kimberly had to relearn everything.
It was pretty frustrating to not be able to walk when I was at rehab.
After a month in the hospital, Kimberly struggled to return to the active life she once had.
I didn't have the mindset. It was a traumatic and long-term thing. I was just very much, okay, I had an illness and let's heal.
Recovery came slowly. She relied on a cane and moved in with her mom and dad. Reclaiming her independence didn't seem likely. Then during rehab, a therapist introduced her to an electronic device called Bioness, designed to stimulate the muscles in her leg.
So what I'm doing now is I'm pairing it with the Bluetooth.
Within weeks, Kim noticed a difference. With longer walks came more confidence, and eventually a trail back to a place she loves.
The last time we went before, I was able to use the Bioness and I didn't even notice that I was inhibited.
Back on the hiking trails at her family's Michigan cabin, from there she returned to work and some of the other things she likes to do, like swimming. Recovery, she says, still comes with difficult days.
I have a really high drive. I wouldn't say perfectionist, but close to it. So to be honest, I'm still in the thick of it. And there's some days that I feel in control and some days where I don't.
With every step, Kimberly's getting stronger, more confident, and closer to the life she missed. And one of her next goals is to move out of her parents' home. She's also hoping to drive again soon. In studio, Lyric Powell, 21 Alive News.